Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to export a movie in HD on your Mac with iMovie 09. So this is the way I make my movies on YouTube. I'm actually going to probably not edit it this time because I'm using ScreenFlow. But if you make a movie and you want to upload it to YouTube, or you just want to put it on your iPhone or something, here's a couple ways of how to do that. So what you want to do is when you finish your project, it'll be right here. And this part right here, it actually explains if you've exported before. So if you've exported it, it'll show HD right there, or the quality which you used. Or if you uploaded it to YouTube, it'll say YouTube. So to export a video, all you have to do is go up to share, and you have a bunch of different options here. And the easiest option, I'll start with the easiest option. If you're exporting it to YouTube, you should use the YouTube button. But the only reason I don't use this is because usually it doesn't work for me. Like, it says there is an error and I have to re-export it and re-upload it normally without this option. But I can't fix the error that it has. I don't know what it is. It says it's a network connection error, and I've done everything, but it still doesn't work, so I don't use this very much. But if you do want to use it, you just have to type in your account, password, category, basically everything you'll see on a YouTube website. Again, I don't use it very much because sometimes it doesn't work, but it might work for you. If you want it to be a worldwide video, just uncheck this. And it also has really good options to publish it. It'll show you exactly like how big the file it'll be, what size it'll be, what it'll work for iPhone, Apple TV, computer, or YouTube. Obviously, you want the best quality for YouTube. You do HD, and it'd be 1280 by 720. And then when you did that, you type in your password. It'll let you choose next, but I'm not going to do that since I've already uploaded this, and you guys don't want to see it again. So you can also add and remove your accounts if you have multiple accounts on there. The next option you can use is export movie. This is the option I use actually. Because of that YouTube uploader thing and iMovie doesn't work for me, I use this. So what I do is I just title it. I choose where I want to export it. I usually do it to desktop, and I do HD because I want you guys to have the best quality videos. And it shows me right here how big the file is gonna be. If you go lower, obviously the file will be a lot smaller. Tiny is only 0.4 megabytes. It's pretty small. It'll show you exactly the same thing as the other one. It'll work on iPod, iPhone, Apple TV, computer, mobile me, and YouTube. If you want the best quality for YouTube, you'll do HD. And then you click export. It exports. Takes about 2 minutes for a 46-second video, depending on how fast your computer is. Mine's a little bit faster because I have a fast computer. And once you click export, it'll be on your desktop. Then you can use the YouTube uploader to YouTube, or to export it, or to upload it to YouTube if you want to do that. The next option is a little more complicated if you want to get into a lot of detail. If you're a professional and you're doing it for not YouTube or something, but like a big presentation, you can use export using QuickTime. To use this, all you have to do is, again, name it. Where do you want to put it? I usually do desktop because it's easiest to find. Export, you want to do movie to QuickTime movie. If you have a Mac, you'll probably do this, or if you're going to use it with a PC or your iPhone, you can choose a different option here. And then you can use the default settings. You can use any of these settings if you don't want to mess with all the advanced options. But if you do want to mess with the advanced options, you can click options, and you have a bunch of options here. I'm saying options a lot. And you can click settings. If you want the best quality for YouTube, you should use H.264. Frame rate, current, keyframes, keep that, but just make the quality best, and then encoding best, because you want the best quality. And you can click OK. Size, you want the size 1280 by 720 HD for YouTube. That's HD quality for YouTube. Make sure you don't choose the bigger size because that will be too big. And I think it plays in HD, but it's just not as good. The sound should be right here, as you can see. AAC is the best. Let's see, AAC for YouTube. That's usually what I use, but this is more for advanced options. If you want to mess with it, you can have a bunch of different options here. JPEG, MPEG video, none. Don't know what that is, but photo, JPEG, PNG, animation, Apple, all these different options if you want to get serious about it. But I don't usually use that. I use export movie because it's so much simpler and it does exactly what I want it to do. So guys, that was just a few options on how to export a movie in HD. If you want to put it on your iPhone, you can use iTunes. If you want to put it in a DVD, you can use iDVD. But for basic options and uploading it to YouTube and HD quality, those are just 3 different ways to export it with iMovie 09. I'll see you guys in the next video. And there's a text message. Goodbye.